James here at the 2018 NTEA show, and this year we figured we'd do things a little bit differently. Instead of us speaking, we'll see what the crowd has to say.
We're here with Matt from Van Products. Matt,
Yeah.
what do you think about our booth?
I think you've got a great display set up with all the new requirements changing. A lot of people are going to have to upfit later vehicles after May 1st of 2018. So it's nice to see all the different monitors and cameras you've got going on.
Displays the product really good. Nice for us to be able to kind of get a concise view of what you have.
It's really nice display. It's got a lot of nice products on here and just good stuff.
Looks excellent to get to see all the new product, and yeah, it's awesome.
You know what? I think you got a great product, and from everything I've heard, you guys do a wonderful job.
And Jake is one of our customers. What do you think of our product in general, RVS?
So far, everything's been great. Everything that we've used hadn't had any problems with it, and it's working awesome for us.
Rear view safety is definitely key on a job site.
RVS has had some great offerings, mainly in the larger vehicle sectors. I think y'all were one of the first to markets with the turn signal cameras on the left and the right. So
That's true.
We've had good success with y'all.
You heard it here, folks.